Hello, welcome to my Python learning journey. My name is Baron and I am in Louisville, Kentucky. I'll be documenting my Python journey and I wish to share with you all my journey. So I'm new to programming. I don't know anything about programming and I am just documenting my learning journey. So for those who are already in the field who know programming, please be patient with me as I am just a newbie in the field. So there are three data types in Python. We have numbers or integers, we have strings or letters, and also we have lists. I'll start with numbers. So we can make our variable and assign it to a number like 56. We can also do things like assign another letter. T is equals to 3, and we can do basic calculations. If you want to print R plus T, if I run this code, it will give me the total, which is 88. That's too basic, but basically this is how we do some calculations using Python. I can actually check, I can call and see what type of data is located in T. If I run this code, it will tell me what type of data it is. This one is classified as an integer. That's a quick one on the numbers. Let me switch over to strings. So strings are your letters, your ABCDs. Let me assign a name to Baron, and if I want to print this name, it says name Baron is not defined. So what it means, it wanted me to put those quotes. Then if I run this one, it will run Baron. So we can do this, and we can actually make a string. We can change from a string to a tuple, and we can do a lot of things. We can actually make a list. I can write different names, James, Victor, etc. If I run this one, it will give me the list of names: Baron, James, and Victor. We can actually add information into the variable name. We can delete, we can rearrange this, we can append, we can remove, we can do a lot of stuff in there, but this is just to show what we can do. So that was your numbers, your integers, your strings, your letters, and also the list. You can ask Python to tell me what type of data is in the variable name. It will tell you. If I run this, it will tell me the data type, and this one is classified as a list because I have used these brackets. And if I remove, and let me go with the Victor only, if I remove and run it, it will tell me it's missing a quote here. If I run it, it will tell me that this is a string. This is classified as a string. So this is my journey, and I'll be documenting this as we go along. Thank you for watching. Bye.